All right, let's look at a real world job as a data analyst and we'll sift through the nonsense to see really what the company needs. Minimum of 3 to 5 years, okay. Required 4 years. All right, well, you can't put 3 to 5 years if you require 4 years, you idiots. So 3+ years is what they're looking for. So you must have 3 years to apply for this role, or they're just going to throw it out. Here's a big one: must hold a BA or equivalent, right? You can throw this away or equivalent. I don't know. I don't know of anyone in the data role, especially like maybe did the DA roles, you can get away without having a degree because this is an entry level role. But I promise the top data roles, data engineer, the machine learning engineer, any of the top, the DBA, you're going to have a 4 year degree, just the way it is. Experience with early education, yeah, you could ignore that. They're not getting this. All right, so here we go. Here's the real technical. Here's the meat of the whole post. Experience with databases. All right. Data queries, data queries, and reporting platforms. And they tell you the tool, right? Power BI, etc. So they're using Power BI. Required 2+ years. So you're going to need at least 2+ years working with Power BI. Experience working with IT product owners. Articulate, that just means you're not stupid and can speak to all people in the organization. Must be able to work remotely. Okay, so this is nice. This is a remote role. And that means that when your hours of work, they're going to need to be able to get a hold of you. So if someone pings you on Messenger, you better be there. That's what that means. Teamwork, which is a fucking joke. Um, but it is what it is. So you'll have to at least lie, about how excited you are to work in a team environment, and look up some of the benefits of working in a team. It's never about a team. You'll have look up the Pareto principle. You'll see how teams work in the real world and everywhere else, to be honest. All right, so what do we learn? So we learned that the technical skills, they have really one line, and the rest is just flub. We also learned that this is the most entry level role I could find. That was like a real role. It wasn't garbage. Most entry level role I could find, and that means there simply aren't a lot of entry level roles out there right now. Um, why? I think it's because the data analyst has become the only entry level data role. So people that maybe are skilled in data engineering, or they're preparing for machine learning, they that maybe have the background, or maybe they've worked in areas where they've done a little reporting, are probably taking these roles, so they can then stair step to the uh, the DBA, the MLE, or of course the all famous data engineer, the top job in the world right now. And it has been like this. This isn't me. That people think this is my opinion. I'm not giving you any of my opinion. Uh, I'm just showing you what it is. This is a Google stat. The top job in the world is a data engineer. This has come from Google for almost 10 years now. They've been saying this. So this isn't news. All right. What's that mean? It means you're probably going to have to be more realistic about a job. Maybe a job in help desk or something. It also means you're going to have to up your game when it comes to certs. If I were you, I'd have a SQL cert. I'd have the Power BI cert. I'd have the Tableau cert. I'd have all three of those. These two are going to look really good, these certs, on a resume if you have them.